Hello, welcome to the channel, everybody. This is the Pound Trader making an analysis for Thursday and Friday, the 29th and 30th of February 2024. So starting over with the daily time frame today, we can see that yesterday's candle, which is Wednesday's, we closed with this. I don't know if this is a pin bar, but it almost looks like a pin bar, but it's not a very convincing pin bar for me. But either way, we still didn't close above this area over here. And if I take my fib retracement, we can see that we were still just hanging around the 61.8 and in between 78.6% fib level. So I still think that, the sells might be still confirmed for me. So just going over to the 4-hour time frame, and yes, I still do have my cold. Forgive me for my voice. In my previous video, I wanted to see if we can get a triple top around this area here, which did happen. So I was able to get a sell around there, but around here. But it didn't really hit my TP. I normally target 60 pips with a stop loss of 60 pips, and we can see we're just shy of 60 pips. So I did close that trade, but now I'm looking for a sell re-entry. And yeah, we can see here that we do have our trend line. Price was pushing up. It is still valid to extend our trend line like this. Yeah, it kind of is. So yeah, this is still valid to put a trend line like there, but we can see this candle here wasn't really a bullish confirmation. So I think there might be some rejections from over here. If I also take my fib retracement tool, you can see here that we have reactions on the 50% and the 61.8 fib level. So for me, I'll wait for a proper confirmation, either like a nice candle from this area here, and then now take it down. Yeah, I really don't see anything else, or maybe even a double top, but I just think for me, I'd like to look for an entry around there again. So just going to the 1-hour time frame. So this is the 1-hour time frame. I think it's more clearer. Yeah, we had a bit of consolidation on Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday we broke out. And today I'd look for probably another re-entry around this level here. Only if I get like a nice bearish candle. Yeah, something like that. This is 35 pips, but I target 60, so just somewhere around there. I don't know, my charts look a bit big today, but yeah, just something around there would be cool. You can also see that we have this sort of double top around there, so that's also nice. So yeah, I think I'll be waiting for that. I don't see anything too extraordinary. If it decides to go on the buy side, then, well, I don't know what to do. I'll have to reconsider. But for today, this is what I will be watching for. A nice candle. We do have some bearish candles closing over here, but they still have wicks and they look a bit indecisive. So I think a better candle would be ideal. All right, so just going over to the dollar index just to see what's happening there. Just starting over with the daily, we can see that we are still in an uptrend according to me. Yeah, yesterday we had a candle here. I think I don't know if there was some news or whatever, but we had this candle over here, and I think that price might now start pushing up. So just going to the 4-hour, yeah, we had a double bottom around here, and yeah, my hope is to just see the dollar index going up now. I don't think there's anything much to it. I don't know if there's a potential of it going down. I'm really not sure, but I hope that it can continue pushing up so that I can look for sells on the pound. All right, so just going over now to the calendar. Today, Thursday, we have some USD news at 4:30 p.m. This is Kenyan time. I don't know how the news will affect the markets. And on Friday, we have some news at 6 p.m. East African time. Yeah, okay, so just to watch out for the news. Hopefully, it could bring some momentum and just see, what's going on. But yes, this is what I would ideally be looking at. I hope you enjoyed the channel. If you found it insightful, please like and subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers. I will be so grateful. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.